RG Kar's emergency ward, which has been vandalized yesterday badly. See the condition of the furnitures out here. It is totally vandalized. See the condition of medicines out here. This is an emergency ward. The meaning of emergency is something which is very urgent. You see, this was closed and now how many medicines, see the condition of the medicines, everything, see the clock, everything is just vandalized as if they have, the people who came, the miscreants who came, they just absolutely ransacked everything, and everything is, now this is the condition. You see, if we show the floor, this is the situation. Everything has been badly ransacked. So much of anger. Who has so much of anger? That is the question. Who did this? Whose act is this? 15 police have been injured. 9 people have been arrested. Till now, that's what we get. But the biggest question is, who had problems with the doctors? Who has problems with the doctors who were seeking justice here? Look at the condition of all the monitors and everything, the bed. This is the emergency department of RG Kar, which is badly, and this is the gate, and the gate clearly shows the amount of pressure there was, and with that pressure, it is vandalized. It's horrible. It is horrible. See the condition of the first room, of everything. The CCTV cameras here, see the condition of the CCTV camera. Everything is just vandalized. People who were very angry with the doctors, with the police, they only know why they did it. Everything is just finished here in this emergency, which is one of the most vital place of RG Kar Hospital. The doctors, they were seeking justice for a brutal rape and murder of their own colleague. And after that, this is the situation. When one side there was this all rallies going on, all rallies in the seeking justice were going on. On the other hand, like political parties will be blaming each other, and the blame game has started from the middle of the night. But the big question is, who is responsible for this? They have to answer. So many valuable medicines, everything destroyed. Nothing is there. Everything is badly destroyed. And this is absolutely a vandalized. This gives a testimony of an absolutely vandalized emergency ward of RG Kar. And this is a reality. This is the picture. And here lies the question, who had the problem with the doctors out there? So in the middle of the night, around 12 o'clock, more than 50 people suddenly entered here in RG Kar, and they were goons and miscreants, and suddenly vandalized the entire this area where the students were protesting, and also the major part of this hospital, which is the emergency. The emergency is absolutely vandalized. Nothing is left in the emergency. The valuable medicine and everything has just been destroyed. Now the police have started a case. They have arrested 9 people over there. They picked up 9 people from there. 15 police personnel, including the DC, was injured. But now the police has come up with certain photographs, like all those photographs, where the photographs of those people who were involved in this attack. And they have actually come up in Facebook posts that anybody who has any information about this miscreants, they should be given to the police, or they can write into that Facebook post also. Now there one doctor's photo has come, who is a protester and who stands this side while the students are protesting there. So he is one of the doctors. He is one of the doctors, junior doctors, who are protesting on this side, who were trying to protect the patients yesterday. That's what the doctors tell CNN News 18. But that is one misinformation thing, or that is a wrong information according to the doctor that has gone to the police. But he is also reacted by stating that it is the police who has to rectify it. But the other thing is that police is actually making a note and experience. Actually, they are very closely looking into all these visuals, all the videos that are viral in social media, all the videos that are there in media, all the videos that are there with the police, and also the photos, if any. Frame by frame, they are actually examining it. And then this investigation, this is also a separate case. This is not the main case of this rape and brutal. This is a separate case where the police has started working on.